Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge, go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Good morning.
Live. I even got all that early.
How's everybody doing? Man, what a dump, huh? Gotta love that. Welcome to live RyanMac TWB on Alex, live Alex TWB. Hope you're all doing good this morning. It is hump day. Wow, I do think we get another, just that bear flag. Look at that. Wow. Boom. Look at gold real quick, huh? Curious to see what gold looks like. Oh, kind of fell off for a minute. Yeesh. Everybody hear me okay? Everybody hear me okay? Good to go? I think we dump off even more. Can't go wrong. Nope, 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 nope. Sheesh. Beautiful bear flag. And we got what? About 8 minutes before we get started here on market open. We gave up 44.5 points. Looks like we did leave a gap behind at 6,847.25. Thinking about doing a custom overlay for it. And doing it animated. Kind of want to really have it set up real nice. I have to tell you about it offline because I got some ideas in this head for this setup. So I really dived into OBS and ripped it apart. Now I'm understanding it, where I'm like, well, we could do this, 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 and this. We could tear it up, make it look real nice, look real pro. So they're not cheap though. The animated custom overlays, they're not cheap. I actually was pricing it out last night, and I was like, I have an idea for this because we could make it look really nice and clean, real clean. So it was just like, because you can do transitions, and obviously you have that starting intro. You can do like literal, they can click the screen. So if they wanted to click lucid trading, you can get it to where it clicked. Just trying to figure out the voice, the streamer bot voice activation, trying to figure that out. But I think that might only work for yours. You know, just kind of getting at that point. But so I haven't really dived in the streamer bot. I got a little too tired. I was like, got a lot going on. But spilling too much tea. Nah, it's get it this set up, but to get it to this has been okay, pretty cool. But we need to dump off here. That's what we need to spill. We need to spill over the market. Just keep going. So we got about 2 more minutes. Top secret. Oh, if they only knew how to put the codes in, all the downloads. Oof. One thing I do want to see if we can't get set up is all this TWB bots. We get that all kind of. I don't know if every stream gets it. Gold, yeah, every stream gets it. It's all right though. All right, we got about 1 minute. 1 minute. It's just we're gonna call this a resistance here. There you go. So that is a resistance level on the ES. We're gonna say 6,831.50. This might be a retest here at some point today if it wants to break out and go crazy. But that's a nice little dump down candle in the first minute. Pretty liquidity. Pretty liquid.
Iceberg ESL. Absorption and Q
I'm
buyers.
gonna listen to Market Pulse.
Stop and queue buy.
Miguel Madrid, I mean Tudor, I said, please.
Iceberg ES sell. Stop and queue sell. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption and queue sellers. Stop and queue buy. Stop and queue buy.
How's the delay? Yeah, what we got for delay on the stream? Do you know what the delay is? We got a big delay on the screen, or is oh okay, Mac, thanks. Out of curiosity,
Stop and queue buy.
Nightbot said I dreamed about drowning in an ocean made out of orange soda last night. It took me a while to work out it was just
Iceberg
a
and queue sell.
fantasy.
Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES sell. Stop and queue sell. Absorption and queue sellers. Iceberg and Q sell. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy.
All right, then. Coming up on this pivot. ES. We got some, which is also, you know, we got a VWAP right there. I wonder if the market makers are going to get excited and turn this bad boy around before it hits the pivot and keeps that as a resistance at 680, 68.3775. Just to give you guys an idea of what this is for analysis purposes, you know, you go to the top of the flag, to the bottom of the flagpole, to this pivot. If we turn around here, we could make another move down here, you know, to complete the flag. 6,795. And possibly, really, ultimately, that would be a huge move for the ES during regular trading hours. I mean, 42, another 42 points. If we dumped off 42 points, not 21, but retrace. So the only way we would really situate this is that if you go from the top, I think we go from the top to the bottom of the flag. Go from the bottom to the top, I think it is, for Fibonacci retracement. So we're measuring this out of that high to that. So, you know, to be honest with you, we're right there in that golden pocket on the fibs. So if we reject that golden pocket, then we could see lower, obviously, but another 40-point move down, that'd be nice. I mean, and that'd be fast too. It'd be just as fast as they did it before we flag out properly.
Iceberg and Q buy. Iceberg ES buy. Stop and Q sell.
And here we go. Market pulse is pushing down.
Q sell.
Tashar, how's it going? Oh man, give us a nice bounce. Yeah, yeah, it definitely is a heavy move. Does mean something. Definitely is a heavy move. Does mean something. I gotta fix my chair.
Stop and Q buy. Ice for DS sell.
Gotta look for yeah, then
Ice for DS buy.
if we reject this pivot, I could definitely see this being filled here shortly. We're about 9:41 on the eastern seaboard.
Absorption and few sellers.
Yeah, VWAP tap. VWAP got tapped. Or at least, you know, let's see if the market makers are happy with that kind of a reach. We have that pivot, the VWAP. Let's see if we go lower. Go get the support down here. First the 9, then the 20, then the support. We're touching it. We're just reaching for it.
Ice for and few buy.
See them look at the MACD. MACD is looking like it's starting to curl over here. Get that confluence to go lower. Just got to break this, break and close below the 9 EMA here. Let's go over some economic calendar. Let's go look at the news. What's going on today? ISM services PMI in about it looks like about 15 minutes. So it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to do anything until we do it. I would wait till we get through that news. If you're in a prop firm, if you're not in a trade already and thinking it's going to be a particular direction, I'd sit that one out unless you see your setup. Not financial advice. Let's see, we got some contracts there. Look at the Bookmap. All right, let's see. Well, we got a resting order at 105 up there at right around 68.40, which is I want to say this is previous day close. So we should be red on the day. Let me fix that. That's not it's too light.
Top and few buy. Iceberg and QBuy.
And quickly reload my tab. All right, this is the curl to show us to indicate that ISM services. We came in at 54.2 with a forecast of 54.8 on the global composite PMI final. They didn't like that. Obviously, market pulled down just a bit, coming up on opening price here. So this is the support right now. Here at 6,831.50. So we got about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, guys and gals, if they're watching. Yeah, hold fast. We got some. Do a quick shout out. We got Char. We got Alex TWB, K-Mac the Farmer, H Rod, Rat, and Captain Price. Thanks for joining me in the stream today. Let's see if this dumps off the next 20 points, huh? We got about 15 minutes till we get another news event, red folder news event. I'd like to come down and see if we can test this pivot or break this pivot. Let me see if I can adjust this for 2 seconds. There you go.
Iceberg ES5.
Yeah, let's look at gold. Oh, look at gold. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. All right, we got that 200 EMA right there on the 4250 for gold, and 4,250 and 40.4. Heading back to the ES.
Iceberg ES5.
All right, now the question is, how much of this flag do we complete? Do we go back to the 382? We go back to the 50. I want to see it hit the 50%. We got a couple minutes. Got news coming up here. Today's giveaway is going to be Elite Trader funding. Got 50K. To give away. Finding support there up to 236.
sell. Iceberg ES buy.
Okay, so now we're checking to see if this 6,831.50 is resistance. This white line here.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg NQ buy. Iceberg NQ buy. Iceberg NQ buy.
There it is. There they let it go right there. And we got to get below a low of day, which is 6,822.75, which is also the 382 on this flag. So we need to come down to that. Looks like we could get below that here shortly. 6,822.50.
Iceberg ES buy.
We got 147 resting orders on the ES at 68.20. So let's see if we break it. It's currently 9.53. There she goes. Beautiful. Broke it. Broke low of day, made a new low of day. Let's see if we can get to the, if I was a betting man, the 786. We're looking for 6,804.75. Well, first we got to get through this pivot down here at 6,814. So if I was a betting man, I'm not a betting man. We see if we can take out that gap down there. Hope you guys all are on the right side of this move, whichever side that goes to. So we got to get past 6,817.50. Got to get past that. Oof. See if we found that as support. Oof. That was whippy. Hit that 68.20 and then found some buyers. Retest the 20, rejected the 9. Let's see if we reject the 5. Let's see if we can get this candle to go red. 33 seconds left.
Stop NQ buy.
Yeah, 620 was a support. For sure. 620 or 6,820.25. 820 was a support.
Iceberg NQ sell. Iceberg NQ sell.
We got about 4 minutes. I believe the algos are on. Algos are on, guys and gals. If we keep that 6,831.50 as resistance, looks like we need to close below it. Close on it. That's not always good. There we go. Pull it down. Get back to 6,800. That's a nice round number to reach for. No, I do not want to play for trading view. No, no. Type the Macdicator in the chat if you want the indicator. I don't pay for trading view. How many indicators you see on my chart? Quite a few. Doesn't clog up everything, but it's enough to make decisions on which way this thing is going. It's actually, you don't even need to type it. It's already there for you. Button that up. Yeah, you need to get your data from TWB, your prop firms or your real live cash. Either way works. But if you pay for the prop, like say you buy a Lucid account, right? You don't have to pay any remaining payments, and gives you all your TV data for free. So just hold on to the account forever. You never have to do anything. It's 100 something bucks. Wait for a sale. It's 40% off right now. Maybe yeah, it's 40% off using RMTWB as your coupon till December 3rd. Today is the last day. All right, got about 1 minute. 1 minute. 25 seconds until we get that data. Here we go. Hands off. See how that data comes through.
Stop and Q buy.
Came in hotter, 52.6 over 52.3. There's a VWAP. Rejected a bit. NQ is starting to sell off a little bit. Pump. From that pump.
Sell.
See if it gets over the VWAP.
Absorption and Q buyers.
I mean, a pretty slow reaction for a red folder.
Absorption and Q buyers.
It could trigger chop.
Stop and Q buy. Ice for DSL. Absorption and Q sellers. Absorption and Q sellers.
We got a target to reach for up here if we get past the 200 EMA. Found some VWAP buyers. Let's look at the MACD a little closer.
Stop and Q buy.
Let's see, no indication of a curl. I want to see what it does here at 68. What is 750?
Absorption and Q buys.
That's one way to invalidate a bear flag.
Ice for and Q sell.
Oh, look at that. Rejected the gap up there by
Ice
a
for
precise
DSL.
tick. Goodness. Macdicator would tell you where it's going to go. Pay attention to it. Just missed it. Come on, fill the gap. Or reject it forever. Anybody take a TP there? Anybody go long?
Stop and Q buy. Ice for and Q sell.
Take a seat back here and let's watch this.
Ice for and Q buy.
Wow, rejected my line. How I got that the resistance line was I looked left. Rejected it nicely.
Ice for DS buy. Ice for and Q buy.
There it goes. Back to the pivot for a retest. Are we going to retest or are we going to break and close below? We rejected that gap up there.
Ice for and Q buy. Iceberg ES spot.
On support on this pivot, or do we keep going below the VWAP? Because we're testing the VWAP right now. So my question is that do we close below and or get down to the 20 EMA? Got about 10 seconds here. Really hoping that we can get down here back to 820. We need to retest that wick. We do have a gap down here. We could do a lower high, but we have two targets, so we'll see. If we find a support somewhere in here, say 831.50, we could come down, test this, come back up and clear that gap, or we could come down and fill that, come back up, test this, or if we want to just break through it all, we could all do that too. But right now we can do that, or we can come back up, test, take that gap. So really VWAP, I would say, more bullish than anything, being that we're above it. Being that we are above VWAP, so I'm just looking for those kind of reactions. Now, the economic calendar, the data was a little higher than forecasted, even on the ISM services new orders was low.
Iceberg ESL.
And so was ISM services prices was lower than forecasted. So curious to see how that kind of all comes together in that regards. So let's see which way it goes. Oh, there he goes. Sold it.
Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell. Iceberg ES spot.
About 701 on the book map. We got a iceberg, a big iceberg on POC. Probably about, yeah. Somehow it's moving. It's moving down with us. Like to see that iceberg get filled. See if we find resistance on that VWAP. This is the 1 minute retest of this break of VWAP. We just got to get this candle to go red. So we might barcode here for a little bit. We do have a 701 lot iceberg down there. So barcode. MACD, look at the MACD to see we're showing some sort of a cross and curl. Let's get some more selling in there. Please. Oh, there you go. Close below the 9, the 5, and it looks like we're right on the 20. Just sitting on it. So we need to get close below here. There you go. There's the push lower.
Absorption NQ buyers.
Big orders coming in. Big orders coming in. Let's just keep them rocking lower. All right, we got a support at 6,830. Oh, I wonder if we hold this up here 3 times on the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 5. Let's see what we got going on here. Nice look above and fail on the 5 minute there. So that would change our parameters to this bear flag. Okay, still looking at 6,800. I mean, I'd go front run it a little bit, just if you're in short, waiting for this flag to play out. But we are making and looking like we're trying to build some sort of a trend here. We can't break this 6,832. So let's keep the resistance on this pivot. Once we get above this pivot and find support on it, then we can go take the 200 EMA and go right back to 6,847.75. But we do have a couple of magnets down here. I would like to see 6,800 come into play today. That's what I would like to see. The market's going to do whatever the heck it wants, so it is what it is. Alex been geeking, you're short. Okay.
Iceberg ESL.
Got an entry price? Are you on the NQ or are you on the ES? Live crypto broker on the NQ.
Stop NQ buy.
Oh, you top ticked it. Nice. On the NQ. Very nice. I mean, ES, NQ. I mean, it's gonna... ES is gonna be a little bit more forgiving than the NQ. Does move nicely, though, during regular trading hours. On the ES. The NQ, it's tough to keep up.
Stop NQ buy. Iceberg ESL.
And all we know how to do in the S&P 500s is buy the freaking dip. And we don't know how to continue. Which is okay. It's okay. 6,832 was the support line. MACD is pulling that up. All right, there's a balance there. We just confirmed, we just balanced that out, hitting that 200 EMA. I wonder if we continue up, go get 46.
Stop and Q sell.
Psych. That is the that's the retest for the pivot break here. If we get if this candle goes green or blue in my case, I would not want to be short. I haven't seen a good entry for me to take yet, to take a trade. You gotta just sit on your hands. Be patient. You don't want just a trade. You want the trade, okay? You want the trade. Alex been geek, and it's Forex broker. I don't know if they have ES on here. What would it be under? It'd be, if it's a Forex broker, like the NAS 100 is obviously the NQ. They don't have a S&P 500. They don't have a, they gotta have a 500, I think. Gotta have. I know they definitely have, I think they have the 30, the nifty 30, the nifty, I don't know. I don't trade Forex anymore. It's been years. The nifty 50, I think they have for Forex, maybe. Using Aqua, were you using a 5 cash or Alex been geeking, or you've been using a prop firm? Or you're using crypto broker, but are you using a prop? Yeah, S&P 500 is the ES. Yeah. Yeah, I know something about Forex. Used to trade it. Crypto, currency. Actually, I was more focused on currency when I did start trading it. I didn't understand leverage, but I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to leave my chart up. I just have to take care of some comfort items. So get up here. I've been on Top Step and just deposited $100 in this live account. Since last night, I flipped 100 to 900. Congratulations. There you go. That's how you make monies. Good trades, good gains. So I'm gonna actually get to run and do some things around the house real quick, but I'll leave the chart up. I'll be right back.
Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q sell. Iceberg ES buy.
We're gonna break or what? Break this pivot, go lower. And we filled the gap. Back. All right. Is VWAP gonna buy it or sell it? Come on, let's see where we go. We got some heat down there at 68.35. I mean, we could retest that support at 68.32. Oh. Well, VWAP was a buy.
Stop and Q buy.
Aye.
Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy.
Can we get some news?
Iceberg ES sell. Stop and Q buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES buy. Stop and Q buy.
Up to the moon. Right back up to where the crime was committed. Let's see what it does here. I'm gonna draw a line here.
Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell.
So we've got a lot of time left. I mean, the market's only been open for what, an hour? 5 minutes?
Iceberg and Q cell. Iceberg and Q cell.
Wow.
Stop and Q buy.
Alex been geeking. Trading is not for the weak. Depends on what you mean by weak. Really depends. Because I've seen some pretty strong men cry over a red balance in my past. Yeah, I agree. It's definitely not a tell you what, it's not a poor man's game.
Stop and Q buy. Iceberg and Q cell. Stop and Q cell.
Now do we get some red candles to come back down to clear out 68.35-ish? They got 368 resting orders there. All those orders that came through.
Iceberg ES cell.
Got a lot of time left.
Stop and Q cell.
This can do a lot of different things. Trying to find resistance on the standard deviation right now.
Ice for DSL. Ice for DSL. Stop and Q cell. Ice for DSL. Ice for DSL. Ice for DSY. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q cell.
How do you reset? Whether that's after like a bad trading day, or a bad day at work, or a bad day
Ice for
with your spouse,
DSL.
or
getting kind of slow. Slowing down. All right, I'm gonna give this stream about another 12 minutes. Elite Trader funding giveaway, 50K on the menu. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Interesting.
Iceberg and Q-Cell.
Okay. I'm gonna try something real quick. Did I do that? All right, go ahead and
And Q-Cell.
type elite in the chat. What's going on, Antone?
Iceberg ESL.
I'm not gonna finish the rest of your name, but what's happening? I'm doing a 50K elite trader funding in the chat. Just if I could type elite in the chat, should come up with your entry. So that should be your entry. Let me see. RMTWB the farmer. We're good. Come on, you guys have very, very good odds of winning. We don't have that many in the stream. We got 10. So if all 10 of you can do that, hit the like button. You know, hit the like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing this tonight. I'll be on tonight for NQ. Maybe we dump off here to 68.42.50. No exclamation. But that works. I think it picks it up anyway for the elite. If you're interested in a 50K elite trader funding, need you guys, if you guys are interested in winning a 50K, I'm gonna put myself in there because hey, I'm a human being too. I'm a trader too. Scalp that short to too scared. It's just another trap again. Looks like we're 308 lots are pulling it down. We need to go fill 68.41. 68.41. If we we're kind of breaking this trend. So now that white support at 6,846.50. So elite gets you entered in the chat in the giveaway. We only got 10 in here, but I think, let me try something real quick. Actually, I believe any stream can win this right now too. So elite KMac farmer, you're in. You're in. So we only got 3 entries. So no one on the other streams know about this. Let me see if I can't get everybody else to enter. You got it, Alex been geeking. Just type elite in the chat. Yeah, on the NQ stream, anyone who types elite across all 4 streams will get an entry. But you have 1 entry already, KMac. I don't think it's gonna double up for you, unfortunately. 60-hour trader, enjoying that that Lucid account. This one's for an elite trader funding. It's a 50K, 1 step. Does have a trading drawdown, but right now elite trader funding has 90% off. So I'll be on later tonight with the NQ. So just need the ES to dump off here. We need to dump right back to 800, 6,800. You're welcome, 60-hour trader. I'm glad you're enjoying that. All right, so far we only got 4 entries and I'm trying to get out of here, which is fine. I'm okay with that. If I win it back, then I'll use it for another stream, but I'm gonna play the song here and then head on, pick a winner. So at the end of the song, I'll pick a winner. Type elite in the chat to win a 50K elite trader funding.
futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community. The Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
All right. Yeah, Fred. All right. We got some on the NQ actually popping in here to win that elite trader funding. Anybody who typed elite was entered into win a 50K giveaway. To claim your giveaway, you need to get to our community or Discord. I'm sure you guys know how to do that already. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a winner. It's going to come right up on the screen. Hey, we got some good odds here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5 of you guys, someone's going to win. Spin the wheel, banana, please. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to let the Nightbot give it away. So we'll see if it comes up properly. If it's not you, it's rigged. All right, we're going to pick a winner. I don't know what I did there. K-Mac. Freddie, if you type Discord, yeah, Fred, you're the first one. Sorry, you are the winner. And K-Mac, the TWB get Discord. Yeah, just type Discord in the chat. It should come out. K-Mac, I do have a coupon for you though. So yeah, you did win one. We got 2 giveaways for you. I messed up. I'm gonna honor that for you. So we'll get you that one too. So. But you got to claim it in the Discord. Part of the giveaway is you got to get to the Discord. You got to DM me for the coupon. So I know K-Mac has Discord. Just you got to figure out how to send me a message. And then you got to pay the activation when you pass it. But they're 50K. So I'll give you the coupons. in the Discord. So I had 2 left to go with anyway. So they gave me 3. So we'll see. Just hit me up. I'll get you the coupon and the link. Actually, the link, you just put in ETF in the link and I'll send you to the... No, just, it's not. I'm just on YouTube right now. Alex been geeking. So go to the link and then pop in the coupon. If you don't have an account, build an account, whatever it is you got to do. But yeah, congratulations, K-Mac the Farmer and Reddy. You're welcome. You got to Discord me direct. I'll get you the coupon and we'll square up with you. So I don't know your handle in the Discord, Reddy, so just screenshot that you won the giveaway. Congratulations. It's been real. It's been fun. It hasn't been real fun today. Just a straight pump up after we dumped off and just kind of recovering from this pre-market dump. So we could go higher. We could go higher. But we keep tapping this 68, 63.75-ish. We keep tapping this area here. Tap enough times, we'll break it. But I don't see the momentum behind it unless they really want to do it. I think we'll get another sell-off like this if we can't get some momentum to go higher than this pivot. So that's for both the S&Ps, the SPDRs. That's for the SPDRs. So oh, much appreciated. Thank you. I need the luck. And I hope you all have a great night. We'll see you tonight. NQ. Globex open. Peace.